My name is Ian, and the starter project I chose to build was the useless machine. The purpose of the useless machine is kind of in its name. It doesn't really have one. When you flip the switch on, the box immediately, or the machine immediately turns it right back off. To do this, the useless machine has two main components, or two main parts: the base, or the box outside, and then the components on the inside of the box. As you can see, there's an arm connected to a motor, and what is not visible under there is a PCB, or a printed circuit board, which has all the instructions for what the machine needs to do. So the printed circuit board, it connects the battery pack and the motor in a circuit, and then depending on the conditions set by the switch and the snap switch, it tells the motor what to do. So when the switch is first pressed, the motor then immediately pushes up and pushes the switch back before going back down and meeting the snap switch and pushing that until it is completely flat, and then the motor stops moving. The biggest challenge in making this useless machine was once I finally soldered all the different components onto the circuit board and connected the battery pack and the motor, it didn't actually work. And so figuring out what was wrong with the circuit board, what I had wrong, like testing the voltage on each of the different components, seeing if the current was flowing through everything. And after a few hours of working on that, I decided to simply resolder everything to make sure the connections were perfect. And when I did that, it finally worked. And then I'd say my favorite part of making this was actually just finally putting all the pieces together, getting the box all on, and just making it work for the first time. That was a really cool moment.